Capricious describes someone or something that changes unpredictably and suddenly without any clear or predictable reason. Imagine someone who's super excited at one moment and then suddenly gets upset or changes their mind about something they were excited about just a minute ago. That's capricious. This word is often used to describe a pattern of behavior or decision making that seems random. It's marked by quick changes in attitude or choices. There's no obvious logic behind it, making the behavior seem unpredictable and whimsical. Think of capricious in terms of its synonyms: fickle, mercurial, unpredictable, whimsical. The word has different forms. Capricious is the adjective and is the most common way of using the word. Capriciously is the adverb, while capriciousness is the noun. Let's have some examples here. The capricious weather made it difficult to plan the outdoor event. One moment it's sunny, the next it's pouring rain. Sometimes weather just behaves unpredictably. The weather is capricious. His capricious mood made him a difficult team member. The stock market can often be capricious, changing direction unexpectedly. One day stocks are soaring and the next they are crashing. Market is capricious, it can shift without any warning. She responded capriciously to the proposed plan, agreeing at first but then rejecting it. Notice capriciously is the adverb. The wind blew capriciously, shifting directions constantly. He capriciously changed the topic of the meeting, confusing everyone. Imagine sitting in a meeting, discussing on one issue, and out of nowhere the leader changes the topic to something completely unrelated. That sudden shift without warning is an example of capricious behavior. The rules were applied capriciously, which led to unfairness. His capriciousness at work caused uncertainty among his colleagues. Capriciousness is the noun. The capriciousness of the novel's storyline added to its charm. Sometimes unpredictability isn't a bad thing. In this case, the twists and turns in the novel's plot make it exciting and engaging. Capriciousness here adds an element of surprise that keeps the readers hooked. Understanding the capriciousness of public opinion can be crucial for politicians. So, to summarize, capricious is a word you can use to describe behavior or decisions that change suddenly and unpredictably without any clear reason. It's often associated with unpredictability and whimsy, and its synonyms include words like fickle, mercurial, and whimsical. Remember, capricious is the adjective, capriciously is the adverb, and capriciousness is the noun. Next time you encounter someone or something that is very unpredictable, you have a perfect word to describe it: capricious.